National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Newton County, southern Lawrence County, until 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pierce City, or 9 miles northwest of Monette, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Chesapeake, Aurora, Pierce City, Stott City, Wentworth, Marionville, Mount Vernon, Hoburg, Freestadt, Verona, Howelltown, and Monette. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 33 and 58. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Lawrence and Newton.